In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Big Cartel from your URL. This is a great way to personalize your e-commerce site and make it more memorable for your customers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Big Cartel's website, which is a popular platform for artists and small businesses to set up online stores. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's typically found at the top of the homepage. Click on login to proceed to the next step. Now enter your shop URL and password in the login fields provided. If you're not already signed up and running, you'll need to set up a shop first. However, assuming you have an existing store, fill in your details and press login to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Big Cartel dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your online store, from inventory to design. What we're interested in today is found under the account section, so go ahead and navigate to account. With the account page now visible, look for an option labeled custom domain. This is the key feature you need to change your website URL. Click on custom domain and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can enter your desired domain name. Here's where it gets interesting. Enter the custom domain name you want for your store. Remember, you'll need to own this domain, so make sure you've purchased it from a domain registrar if you haven't done so already. Once you've entered the domain, proceed to save your changes, but there's an important caveat to be aware of. Big Cartel requires you to upgrade your account to a paid plan in order to use a custom domain. If you're on the free plan, you'll see a prompt to upgrade. If you haven't selected a plan yet, you'll need to choose one that supports custom domains to finalize the URL change. This is a great investment for your brand, as using a custom domain not only looks more professional, but also helps with branding and customer trust. Once you've upgraded, follow the instructions to link your new domain to your Big Cartel store, so customers can now access your site via the custom URL. And just like that, you've removed the Big Cartel branding from your URL. With these steps completed, you're all set to present a polished and professional